To share with you, in the beginning of the Parsha this week, we have Eicha, as mentioned by Moshe Rabbeinu. Moshe says Eicha, and we're going to read Eicha on Saturday night, and then the Haftorah that we're going to read is also going to have Eichas. So three Eichas put together in a row, teaching us that the Jewish people are asked the question of Eicha, where have you gone? Alas, where have you been? What has happened to you? How are we going to handle you? This is the three Eichas that are presented, that the Medrash presents. There is the idea that there's one other Eicha that's presented, but it's not in the same way, and that is Ayeka. That when Adam sins with the tree of knowledge of good and evil, at that point he goes in hiding, and at that moment Hashem says, Ayeka, where are you? Ayeka is spelled the same way as Eicha, which we always translate as alas or woe, or what has become. Ayeka is that famous question which is asked, and that is, where are you? Hashem knows where Adam is. He knows where Chava is. Ayeka is asking the question, what have you done to yourself that you can't even find yourself? So when Moshe Rabbeinu says it, when Yirmiyahu and Yeshaya say it, the same idea of Ayeka or Eicha is really asking that question, have you thought about the repercussions of what you're doing? Have you thought about your experiences of where you actually like to be in your life and with your connection to God? So Ayeka is, where are you? Is the same concept of Eicha, where have you been? What has happened to you? Same idea. So this is a question we should be asking ourselves over this Tisha B'Av is, Ayeka, where are we? Where are we as individuals? Where are we as family members, as communal members? Where are we in our relationship to Hashem and to other Jewish people? I think if we ask that question, we'll have a better opportunity to be able to answer that question as well. Rabbi Klein,